Howdy folks, my name is Jimmy Jar, and I'm just a simple old brown medicine bottle. I'm here to tell you all about my life and what you can do with me instead of throwing me away. There's plenty of things you can do with recycling. If you want to build a strong, healthy environment, you've got to do something about all them bottles laying around your house. Most people have a lot of these here bottles laying around their homes. Sometimes they get thrown in the bin with all the rest of the rubbish. But this ain't right. Some people throw bottles in the public litter bin. But this ain't right neither. Before you throw those glass bottles and jars in the bin, stop and think about what you're doing. They're going to end up in a big old landfill, taking up lots of space. That isn't very good for the environment now, is it? That makes for a sad, sorry old planet. Recycling, now that is the way to go. If you see this here recycling symbol on anything, you know you can use it again. The recycling symbol is always found on glass bottles. Recycling is so easy. You just gotta wash those bottles. You can put them in the dishwasher, or you could just use plain old ordinary soap and water. Just pop those bottles in a bag, run along down to that nearest recycling center. These are to be found all over the place. You just ask an adult to bring you there. They usually accept clear glass, jars and bottles. Brown bottles and jars like this one. And of course, green glass. The different color glass always has to be separated into different color sections or different containers. Then a truck comes along, packs it away, and brings it off to the recycling plant. The old glass is then gathered and stored in something that's known as a bunker. The glass then passes along a conveyor belt. Here people pick out all the foreign bodies, the dirt, the metal, and the paper, anything that you don't need in your glass. Glass is then broken into tiny little bits using machines. I sure as hell don't like the look of that. These here machines break the big old broken glass into tiny little pieces that are easily used again. This broken glass is called cullet. With this cullet, bottles and jars can be made again, good as new. So if you want to go from this to this, you gotta recycle. Recycling is good for the planet. It's good for you. If you want me to have a good life, if you want me to have another life, you are going to put me in the recycling bin along with all of those other old jars and bottles. So, bye for now!